Hello, parents and students. My name is Cody Dobbs, and I will be teaching 10th grade chemistry this year. This is me. That is my hometown, Tucson, Arizona. I've been in Cartagena for just under a year, and my hobbies are basically I'm a foodie and I love movies. Those are my hobbies. Right there is a chile relleno, probably my favorite food at the moment. This is where I went to school, University of Arizona. I studied criminology and then I switched to science education because I wanted to become a teacher. I've been teaching for 6 years now. This will be my seventh. I did 5 years in the US and then 1 year at Cojowa, so this is my second year. These are the standards we will be going over in chemistry class. These are the next generation science standards for chemistry. In addition to the standards, I do want to impart some wisdom, such as applying science practices to daily life to the students. So things like looking for evidence before they believe something or trial and error. Also, time management. For instance, a lot of my assignments will not be daily. A lot of them will take more than a few days, maybe even a couple weeks. And the idea is that they start early, do a little bit each day, and have a very good finished product. And also resilience. Chemistry can be a difficult subject. It's not the easiest one to learn, but I really want the students to know that if they keep practicing and they keep working, they will be able to understand it and they can be very, very solid science students. So, all of my assignments will be broken down into categories. They will either be science engineering, chemical reactions, structure properties, or energy. And these are all worth the same amount for the final grade, but each assignment will fit into one of these. Evaluations. So the blue discussions, problem sets, which are like worksheets, lab reports, those are formative assessments. So they're not worth a lot of points, but we do more of those throughout the year. And then the red are going to be summative. So those are going to be worth a lot of points, and they only come once or twice a quarter. So homework, what to expect for homework? Number one, probably the most common will be unfinished classwork. I try to give my students a lot of time in class to finish their assignments. However, sometimes they're going to have to take stuff home and finish it at home. Lab reports, very similar. I'll try to get them to at least start those in class, but the expectation is that they'll have to finish them at home or on their own time. And then readings. If I need the kids to read something before the next class, I will ask them, hey, at home, make sure you read this from the digital textbook or like an article I'll post a link to. Okay, resources. So Pearson Real Lives will be our digital textbook this year. And there are also little assignments in there, practice problems, animations, things like that that I will use and the kids will be able to access from their computers. Kami is a good tool that allows students to like annotate and edit documents that I post. And those will be really the big two things that I will use that the students have access to on their computers. Okay, tips to help your child. Number one, stay updated on grades. So check Alma, check Google Classroom, and you can always keep updated on what they're missing or what they need to do. And if you have a question, you can always reach out to me. Also, check that they're doing bell work. I have found that if they do their bell work, they do well in class. And then note check. Make sure that they're taking their notes. So if you need anything, send me an email, cody.doms@cojowa.edu.co. And then we can always schedule a meet. So anything you need, send me an email. Thank you.